Hello! What is up? Hey guys, it's Kiara here, back with another video. This one is college themed and it's something you guys have been asking about so much lately and something that I am so passionate about, so I'm really excited. I'm going to be sharing with you guys 10 organizational items that you guys need for your dorm, apartment, living life. Things that have actually helped me save time, live efficiently, and actually keep my life together because it's honestly hard sometimes. This video is also sponsored by, drumroll please, the Container Store. I have legit been shopping at the Container Store for so long. If you are an organizational nerd like myself, then you too love the Container Store. Shout out to them for reaching out to me. I got all of these things at the Container Store. These are all items that I either used in my freshman year dorm room or last year's dorm room, or things that I wish I had to help keep me organized. Without further ado, let's hop in the video. Let me share the goods. Also, we have my coffee here. All right, let's get into it. Crawling over all sorts of stuff. The first thing that I literally tell all of my friends who are gonna be freshmen and that I get questions about all the time on my channel, just the thing that I think you need the most, is drawer organizers. These will change your life. I'm not even kidding you. If you guys watch my move-in day vlogs, you literally see me move actual drawer organizers and I just slide them into the drawer. That way, when I'm packing everything away, it's all folded nicely and it just stays that way. These things actually will change your life. I got these at the Container Store. They're really good quality. They're gonna last you a long time. They're also really sturdy and they make your drawers look nice. Having drawer organizers actually help you keep your drawers clean throughout the entire year because everything is confined to its little cube, and if you put everything away in it, it's gonna stay that way. You're kind of forced to not like dig through the entire drawer, but just grab the one you want out of that section. So those are like your basic drawer organizers that you use for all your clothes, and I also found this drawer organizer set. Whoa. It's green and white, and what was so cool about this drawer organizer is it's actually expandable. I thought this was such a great idea because when you get into your dorm room, you honestly don't really know the dimensions of everything. You don't really know what size drawer you're gonna be given. The bottom part of this tray slides out so you can actually have more storage and move things around, and I love all the different little compartments for all your little desk accessories and knickknacks. Thing number 2 that you need for college is sitting right here. It's a storage ottoman. This thing actually saved my life because I lofted my bed so that I could put a set of drawers underneath, and that way I could have a ton of extra storage, but it made it literally impossible for me to get onto my bed without one of these things. So I used it for that, and I really needed a place to store all my extra towels, sheets, blankets. Literally so much fits inside of here. Plus I also use this as an extra chair seat when my friends would come over and study. It comes in a bunch of different colors, and I had it in light gray, which matched my aesthetic and all. Always good. Okay, the next thing I'm going to show you guys is something that I didn't bring freshman year, and I actually made it sophomore year, and I used it so much throughout the years. I just recommend doing this. I made myself my own like little craft center gift wrap organizational bin, and that way I can have everything in one place. This is a great project for me to do over the summer leading up to me like moving in. Everything is stored in this one little art bin, and it's so nice. I have just like your very basic craft needs. I have a bunch of acrylic paints that I use because I'm in a sorority. We do a lot of crafting and stuff. I have washi tape, glitter, spray paint, a bunch of different Sharpies. I have a hot glue gun, and then what I also love about this bin is that you can keep scrapbook paper on the very bottom, and scrapbook paper comes in so handy when it's time to make 21er pages for your big. And I also have a couple gift bags and tissue paper in here as well because I literally always have birthdays coming up. It slides so perfectly onto a shelf or in a drawer, and it's really compact and nice, and you'll save money because you can just take stuff that you already have from your house and you don't have to like buy a new craft supply every time you want to do something. Ooh, thing number 4, you guys see that I use these all the time, and I'm actually obsessed. Knock-knock pads. They have so many different knock-knock pads at the Container Store. Basically what a knock-knock pad is this little to-do list thing, and they have a bunch of different ones. I have one that says accomplished. I also have this weekly one in a purple color, and these have changed my life. I personally don't really like to use a planner because it takes so much time to look at it. This sits out on my desk. I fill this out at the start of every single week, and that way I have all the things that I need to do and work on. It's got check boxes already there for me to cross off things when I complete it. It keeps me on task. It keeps me motivated. So seriously, you gotta get one of these. Thing number 4 is a hamper that actually sorts your light and dark laundry for you. I'm all about saving extra steps, so I found the exact thing that I needed at the Container Store. It's this canvas sorting hamper. It's so awesome because you can sort your lights and darks on either side, so that way when you're just throwing your laundry in, you're already doing all the sorting work for yourself. Number 5 on the list, felt hangers. Something that I absolutely hate to do while in college is to clean things that like get messy. I just like things to stay clean. Clothes don't slide off. Plus they squeeze together really nicely. I used all of these hangers my freshman year and my sophomore year, and it allowed me to bring almost my entire closet. Big fan, big fan. The next item is fantastic, especially if you're someone who loves your makeup collection and you really don't know how much to bring in college. I bought myself one of these clear acrylic makeup holders. I've used this every single year at school, and I love this because it forces me to condense what I'm bringing. Plus it's great because you can see through it, so you can actually see what products you have. So while I was doing my shopping at the Container Store, I actually found something that I really love. So the Container Store has like tons of different jewelry organizers. I absolutely hate when my necklaces and earrings get lost and tangled. So this is like one of the things that I already have from the Container Store. It's this nice acrylic earring holder, and I also hang some of my necklaces here at home. Then while I was shopping, I found another one that's super cute, and it's so aesthetically pleasing. It's white with light wash wood, and it honestly is so adorable. I love it because it has a place to hang my necklaces and my bracelets, and I hate putting jewelry in a jewelry box because then I just never see it and I never wear it. Okay, the next key to staying organized in college is to make sure that everything has a home. I also get a ton of comments of people saying your room looks so nice and it doesn't look like you have a lot of clutter, and that's because I like to hide my clutter and make sure everything has a home and things like this. So this is a magazine holder, but I actually just use it for all my notebooks and textbooks and things, and that way you can put them all in here and then just have this side facing out, and it doesn't look like you have a bunch of junk everywhere. Have a home for everything, so when you are cleaning up, things can go back where they belong. I sound like such a mom right now. Okay, my last tip for you guys to maximize storage in your small dorm or apartment space is to use stackable things like this. You're actually going to be able to utilize your space. I found this thing at the Container Store. It's got drawers in it. This thing is great because it's two-tiered and it fits all of your products so nicely, and I have a ton of products. I keep like a mini version of my nail polish collection in here. I've got my makeup wipes, all of my dry shampoo, earring cleaners, hair stuff is all on the top one, and then I keep a bunch of face washes, my brush, and other face masks that I own all on the bottom, and that way it's all organized and it saves so much space. I had a sink in my room freshman year, and I also am gonna have a sink in my room in my apartment, so this is perfect to go under the sink. It fits so nicely in that space, and it's just easy to get at. You can slide the drawer open and see all the way in the back without having to like knock stuff over. I'm actually adding an 11th thing just because this is the biggest thing that saved so much space freshman year in my dorm. I actually just gave mine to my friend, but I bought this white fold-out hutch and I set it on top of my desk because if your dorm room doesn't have like one of those built-in bookshelves, you're gonna have so much clutter on your desk. All of your makeup's gonna be there, all of your school supplies, and you actually need space to work. I'm gonna insert a picture of what mine looked like with all my stuff on it from freshman year. It not only acted as like perfect decor because it added all these shelves, it was so easy. You don't even have to set anything up because it just folds open. I'm gonna leave a link to that and all of these things that I purchased down below so you guys can go check it out. Those are all my college organization things that I think you need to help you get your life together before you do this big move. Another huge shout out to the Container Store. If you guys want to get 20% off of your entire purchase from July 20th to August 20th, be sure to check out thecontainerstore.com/college and you can get that coupon and it'll save you some money. Thank you guys so much for watching this video. Please give it a thumbs up if you guys want more college related content like this, and be sure to check out my other social medias. My Instagram and Twitter are both at Kiara Madisen, and I also answer all of your guys' DMs and questions, so if you ever have anything, feel free to ask. Thank you guys so much for watching this video and supporting me. It honestly means so much, and I cannot wait to show you guys my apartment and do a huge haul of everything that I got for that. So that being said, thanks for watching this video. I'll talk to you guys later. Adios.